What's up, everybody? Starting out the vlog in Billy's car. We're headed out to get an alignment.
Yo, what's up, bro?
This guy's trying to get as much camber as he can.
Hey, what are you doing?
That guy's getting an alignment too. Hey, what? Hey, what the? Hey, that guy's funny, man. But yeah, we're gonna go head out to the same place I got my alignment from. Hopefully they can max out this dude's camber and then straighten out Chen's camber, since they're gonna fix his toe since he's scratching his wheels and his tires on his fender. So hopefully they fix that. And hopefully today will be chill, cool vlog. Hopefully you guys like the other vlog, the last vlog. It was pretty funny to me and all the homies. What you think of the vlog?
The vlog's pretty good. I'm trying to get this much camber, man.
Oh, no, you took me a spaceship.
You rollers in my car.
Oh yes, I will.
Hey, you trying to run it? See, that guy's too fast, man. He's already in front of you.
Wow, he beat you, man. Oh, look at that smoke guy, man. Wow, this is turbo, bro.
Turbo. If you're not smoking, you're not turbo. Cool.
Yeah, you're right.
Make your decision, baby, prove me wrong. Hey, I know you think I'm right. You gon' see me out tonight, baby, prove me wrong. Yeah. You know he ain't the man for you. You should just tell me to come through. Yeah, prove me wrong.
What's big? What a low guy.
I'm seeing numbers though, them dyno numbers.
Yeah. That negative.
Wait, how come this is negative and this is negative?
What?
Negative.
Oh, it evens out.
Oh, okay.
That's why there's no toe.
Wow, man. Green numbers all around, man. My shit was hella red. Everything was
get it,
red.
bro.
What you think?
I don't get it. How the fuck is my steering wheel not
When you
straight?
studied for a math test, but,
It didn't come out.
but failed.
How the fuck is my steering wheel not straight?
Wow, what a loud guy. Ooh. So apparently Chan's car is perfectly fine on his alignment. He just had a low pressure on one side of the car, and he had like what, 30, 35 I think on this side, and then on the other side it was like 15 psi, so that side a little bad. And he said that it was pulling to the right, so maybe that fixed the problem, so I don't know. But right now it's Billy's turn. He's trying to get as much camber as he can, and hopefully he makes it up here, man. Wow, look at the FD2, man. Hey, what you think, man?
I'm surprised. I didn't think I was pushing that much power.
Oh, nice. Nice.
The dyno always tells you something you didn't know.
Oh, yes. Oh.
I knew it.
ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਪੀਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੜੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਵਾ ਉਹ ਸਪੀਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੜੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਲੋ ਵਾ ਸਪੀਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੜੀ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਆਰਾਮ ਲੈ ਜਾਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਸੀ
You're good. It's just like how you regularly get out of your thing.
ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਤੇਜ਼ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਥੱਲੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਜਗਦਾ
What a little guy.
You were bigger than the bumper and I touched that.
ਨਹੀਂ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਣੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਪੀਡ ਨਾਲ ਗਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਨਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਠਾ ਜਗਦਾ
Yeah, why you make a movie, brother?
Huh?
ਗੱਡੀ ਦੀ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ
It's for my vlog.
Huh?
It's for my vlog. I vlog for YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah, for YouTube.
Oh, man.
It's too low. There you go.
A few moments later.
This guy's too low, man. Well, I guess Billy's not getting alignment. They did not go as planned. We both didn't get alignment, so yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen now. Yeah, this guy's too low, bro. You gotta take out the bumper.
What's bolted on?
Well, it is bolted on.
Can you come look over here?
Uh-huh.
Hey, I'll show you. I'll show you one time.
Oh, this one?
Oh.
This part?
Yeah. If that breaks, it's game over. Other than that, it's just good. But I've never seen it flexed out like that though. Like come out here.
Because you went too far, that's why.
Alright, so update. We are getting a lens for Billy. He's cashing out on a lens from this AVG, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully we get all, you know.
We can get her on the tape, man.
What? I record, man.
Not a sex tape, fool. The vlog.
Oh, you're right.
Come on.
What are you talking about, bro?
Gross, man.
I was talking about the vlog, man. What are you talking about, man?
Hey, man, what are we talking about?
vlog, bro.
What did we talk about? Oh.
Yeah. But anyways, we got Chen here.
Hey,
We're
what's
gonna
going
go
on,
to,
man? Do my quiz, man. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yes, a school life, man. Billy's getting his money. He's pulling out $600 for this damn lens. Hopefully it'll be worth it. And then it's not worth it.
Not worth it at all.
Oh really? $600. Sheesh. Why are bitch running though?
I think she's from the boxing thing over there.
I always see people over here doing like shouting and shit, running.
There's a boxing.
Yeah, right there in the corner, right? Oh, she's doing it too. Only OGs know Metropolis Comics right here. OGs know, bruh. That was the hangout place for all the Kendama kids in 6th grade. People will plug, bruh, no cap. I think it's a 30-minute drive to, it's like by Roseville, Rancho area where the girl lives, and hopefully she don't scam us. And hopefully it fits Billy's camera because that's the most important thing. Because it's
I thought Billy was getting.
Hey, shut up, man!
Oh, don't add that.
Shut up, man!
Don't add that, man.
Hey, what the?
Might be a man. Look, she got a fatty.
What are you
Talking
doing?
about the fat car.
What are you talking about, bruh?
Every time I talk about the money, I put it on her body.
Nice.
Then I lick it off her.
Ooh. This guy is funny, man.
Then I drink it off her.
What? We'll see you guys when we're on the road.
Yeah, man.
Road trip. You can't catch up, Billy. Oh, he's coming, man, he's coming. He's coming!
I can't go.
He's coming, man. He's coming. He's on your ass.
Just said, man.
Oh, he's gonna beat you, man.
Oh, she's looking.
Yeah, she's mad.
Damn.
She can't even drive.
Oh, she can't go nowhere. What a funny guy.
Fucked up.
Whoa.
Oh, she live here.
She live right here, cuz. Damn.
Bruh. How the fuck we about to get out?
Damn, girl. Damn. I thought she lived over there in those apartments, bro.
Do that?
Fuck it, dude. Just text her.
Like, hi, we're here. Damn, she got a whole ass mansion, bro.
I'm outside, girl. That's what I said.
I'm not finna go out there, bro. I'm not finna go out there, bro.
Me too, me
You know
too,
why?
me too.
'Cause she don't think that we're here for another reason, you know?
Is she here? Where's she at, bro?
She's right there, bro.
What? Oh.
You think so?
Okay, she is Hmong. And she got the cash, bro. Oh,
She's not that tall, bro.
She's not that tall.
Hey, don't put that in the thing. Don't put that.
Wow, look at this guy, man.
Oh, man.
Wow, so inspirational.
Oh, don't put that in there. Do not put that in there, bro.
Does it fit though?
Okay.
Does it fit though?
Girl, you rich? Okay, you
Does it fit
hella
though?
rich.
Does it fit though? Hey, does it fit though?
Does it fit though?
Hey, you secure the bag?
Oh, yeah, go for me. You need to stop me.
Wow, man, you got the big PP now, man.
Okay.
The big PP lens,
Damn,
bro.
bro.
Damn, Sierra College, this is how they fucking treat y'all, bro. I need to go here, man. What the hell? What you think, man?
Don't ever make the horse drink the water, man.
Was she nice though?
That's pretty nice. I
Okay.
thought she'd be taller, man. Come on, man.
Hey, I thought she was tall,
Come on,
man.
bro. I'm 6'5" out here, bro.
You buddy.
I don't think she's Hmong, bro. Look at this house. Where the fuck is the fucking spiritual fucking red strings?
She's capping though, dude.
Bruh, she
Bro.
got the biggest house on the block. Where?
I know, bruh.
Actually, cap.
This one is.
Cap.
This one's the bigger house on the block. But no, still though, this shit's fucking fat, dude.
Hey, Aaron, this is a good spot to take pictures, bro.
I know, bruh. Oh, right here too.
Ooh.
Which is, hey, but I'm keeping that Addy for a cool man. I don't even know if I can make a 3-point turn right here. Man, just
Go on to the driveway.
Driveway and just get out.
no, nigga, I'm bull as fuck.
It's our new house. Yeah, Kai Brothers headquarters. Dude, imagine, bro, if we all like got a house like this, like together.
No parties, bro.
Oh my
Ain't nobody
god.
parking at our house.
Bro, look how
Oh.
close they are, bro.
Yeah,
This is a nice ass fucking place, dude.
it's a nice place to take pictures too.
But you should ask her what her parents does, bro.
Nigga, I was not trying to get her, bro.
No, nigga, I want to know so I can do what they do so I can get in the house like that. Come on, man. Hey, tell her to come back out.
Alright.
I'll talk to her.
Bet.
Hey. Oh, she not there.
No. It's the next one. It's the next one.
After this one, after.
Yeah, that's this one.
Hey, what your parents do? Hey, what your parents do though? I want to know. Bruh, look how fucking. Oh man, she in her car right now.
Chen, bro, I'm sorry, bro. We gotta go, bro.
Hey, what your parents do though? Yeah, first you pull.
Alright guys, so update. We just got Billy's lens and now we're gonna go get some sushi. I'm gonna try it again with Chen's rollers since the other one was pretty ass, and hopefully it's a lot more smooth. So let's do this. Hey, what you got in there, man? Try to run it. Oh, this guy's got 2 steps. Oh yeah.
Come on, man. Come on.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Non-stop. You used to put up on your non-stop. My block. He used to take you out to my block. But then them boys from the city took you.
What? Hey, from a deep.
Type fast, man. Okay. It's a fast, man. It's a fast. How does it feel to lose, man?
Hey, it felt normal.
It felt normal.
Bro, my coach was sleeping hella bad. I was in third.
Yeah, I was like, what the? Oh hell no.
That's not me.
Yes, sir. Chowing down, nah, sir. You feel me? Yeah, man. You feel me? Me, Chen, and Billy got the same thing. Chen got a vlog back. Let's see if it's smacking. Shit's smacking.
Yeah, Chen, this shit's smacking, dog.
Yeah, man. I didn't know it was gonna be good either.
Are you fucking serious, bro?
You wanna kiss me?
What's so good about the A700?
Full frame.
Full frame, and it can vlog, and it can take pictures? Oh, you're gonna shit later. You're gonna be shitting later.
Oh, really?
It's cream cheese.
Oh, okay, I love it.
You forgot to say what you're thankful for, fool.
What do you mean? Thank you.
Dude, I am so fucking happy right now. My fucking lens is like, I don't know,
I'm
bro.
gonna love it, bro. You can record your sex tape with it too. You can POV shot. Because whenever you use the 50, it just looks zoomed in.
That's better.
If you're doggy style, you see your girlfriend's booty hole only.
3 hours later.
Wow. Look at this cool guy. Hey, how you feel about that your roof rack now, man?
Feels good.
How much did you get it for?
$100.
Sheesh. That's a steal, cuz. Now this dude is looking like a family man.
I'm a dad now.
Wow. Look at this cool SI family guy. Well, guys, we're gonna go head to a hard park meet. It's supposed to be a Paul Walker anniversary meet, so hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. And yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right here since, you know, we're gonna go to meet.
Before you end the video, let me show what I'm selling at the meet.
Oh, he got the goods, bruh.
I got the
Got
good.
the goods, bruh.
Hot Wheels on top of Hot Wheels.
Damn. Oh, Hot Wheels. Trade the Hot Wheels. If you guys are interested in Hot Wheels, hit Darren up. _FD2.
That's if I'm still, if I still have some after the meet.
Wow, this guy's loaded, man. But yeah, guys, I'll end the video here, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is AronRSX and _FD2 signing out. Peace.
Bye.